Hello students, welcome to another biology session where we are studying chapter 4 of class 12th biology, which is reproductive health. So far, we have covered the topics reproductive health, problems and strategies, population explosion and birth control, medical termination of pregnancy and sexually transmitted diseases. In this session, we are going to cover the topic infertility. So, let us begin with our session. A discussion on reproductive health is incomplete without a mention of infertility. A large number of couples all over the world, including India, are infertile. Then, what do you mean by infertility? Infertility is the inability to produce children in spite of unprotected sexual cohabitation. The reasons for infertility could be many: physical, congenital, diseases, drugs, immunological, or even psychological. In India, often the female is blamed for the couple being childless, but more often than not, the problem lies in the male partner. Specialized healthcare units, that is, infertility clinics, could help in diagnosis and corrective treatment of some of these disorders and enable these couples to have children. However, where such corrections are not possible, the couples could be assisted to have children through certain special techniques commonly known as assisted reproductive technologies or ART. One of the assisted reproductive technologies is test tube baby programs. In this method, ova from the wife or the donor and the sperms from the husband or the donor are collected and induced to form zygote under simulated conditions in the laboratory. This process is called in vitro fertilization or IVF. Test tube fertilization is a delicate surgery where the ova from a woman are removed under aseptic conditions and fertilized externally with sperm in the laboratory. The zygote or early embryos with up to 8 blastomeres are transferred into the fallopian tube called zygote intrafallopian transfer or ZIFT, or the embryos with more than 8 blastomeres are transferred into uterus called intrauterine transfer or IUT. With professional help, mother gives birth to a normal baby. This technique was first performed successfully with humans in 1978 in Britain. In some rare cases, a surrogate mother have been used to bring up the in vitro fertilized ovum to maturity. The fact that ovum does not belong to the surrogate mother but she gives birth to the child has raised many ethical and legal problems such as the right over the child. Test tube babies are a boon to the women who had no hope of giving birth. It's a great achievement of the medical science. Next, we will study about a gamete intrafallopian transfer or GIFT. Gamete intrafallopian transfer is another method in which an ovum is collected from a female donor and is transferred to fallopian tube of another female who cannot produce ovum but can provide environment for fertilization and further development of the fetus. The third assisted reproductive technologies is intracytoplasmic sperm injection or ICSI. In this, a sperm is directly injected into the ovum in the laboratory and an embryo is formed. Infertility cases are either due to inability of the male partner to inseminate the female or due to very low sperm counts in the ejaculates, could be corrected by artificial insemination or AI technique. In this technique, the semen collected either from the husband or a healthy donor is artificially introduced either into the vagina or into the uterus. That is intrauterine insemination of the female. Though options are many, all these techniques require extremely high precision handling by specialized professionals and expensive instrumentation. Therefore, these facilities are presently available only in a very few centers in the country. Obviously, their benefits is affordable to only a limited number of people. Emotional, religious, and social factors are also deterrent in adoption of these methods. Since the ultimate aim of all these procedures is to have children, in India we have so many orphaned and destitute children who would probably not survive till maturity unless takes care of. Our law permit legal adoption and it is yet one of the best method for couples looking for parenthood. So students, this was the final topic of this chapter. We have finished with this chapter, that is chapter 4, Reproductive Health of Class 12th Biology. Thank you and take care.